Mic check, 1, 2.
This song is called Bumpah, and we're gonna do a tutorial for it.
Never heard the song. So.
Nope.
No, they've never heard the song or seen the dance. You can go through. It's totally fine.
Have a good day.
The first move that we're gonna do, it's very simple. We're just gonna jump out.
Yeah.
So your body is just going front, side. Back, side. Back, side. You're gonna add a hop and hop, side. Hop, side. Hop, side. Now you're gonna add some arms and out, side. Out, side. Hey, you got the first move.
Oh my god. Abrasive.
I know, sorry, I was probably came on too strong. Your left foot comes in, you change your weight, you step on your right. So hit and here and It's kind of like a cheat step. You're gonna have to just cheat it and fake it. It doesn't flow really well. But you're just stepping out, 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 out. Your arms are doing whatever, your shoulders are doing whatever. You can do your knees like this.
Wait,
you can just step. It's whatever you want to do.
Whatever I'm feeling, probably.
Yeah. Just
Usual.
yeah, the actual move, it's you're just stepping out, but and then you're gonna take that and you're just gonna step and you're gonna make your way this way. So as long as you end up this way, it does not matter what you do with your body. So I'm probably gonna be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and step out right foot, pa da 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 pa da 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 da, and make your way to the side. That's all you do. So don't worry about that part. All you have to do is get there. After that, we're gonna slow the chorus part down in the actual song anyway. So it's pretty simple. You step back on your right foot and you're just gonna pull with your arms. Now this can mean you can pull it down your body. You can pull your arms out. Whatever you want to do. Pull. Too slow. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. On the last one, on the 3, 4, you slide down and prepare to pop 3 times. And then you slide down, pop 3 times. It's like the moon bounce move, but you're not moon bouncing. After we do it 2 sets of slow, that's gonna...
Are you okay?
After we do 2 sets of slow, we're gonna speed it up faster.
He's
Spit everywhere.
Quit.
After the last pop, 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 it's gonna speed up, and so your arms are gonna come around. It's basically the same move except
Breaking my neck trying to look.
instead of stepping back, you're stepping out.
Oh my god.
Pop, pop. Oh wait.
What is going on?
Do you have a back?
Can you just...
Literally 3 inches long. He has a back hair that's 3 inches long.
Don't, please don't. Please don't. That's really embarrassing. Please don't.
She just did it.
Is it still there?
Looking at me.
Don't.
Just crazy.
Listen, I'll shave it after. Don't stare.
I just want to grow back
This move is slow, pop, 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 slow again, and slow, pop, pop, speed it up, and pop, pop, double, pull, double. So the only thing that's
different, Caleb.
It is?
Yeah, you were taking it from this side.
Instead of taking it in, you're just gonna step back. So instead of going this way, you're gonna go back.
Fast.
Yeah, because you're just gonna pull around, double, pop. Pull, double, pop, and pull, double,
I have no idea what's going on.
So let's do the chorus part all together. We're gonna slow this down right here and slow, and pop 3 times, slow, pop 3 times. This gets faster. Pull, double, pop. Yeah, so pull, double, pop. So it's not the exact same move, but it's similar. Double, pop. After this last 4th double pop, you're just gonna roll to the front and 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 counts of whatever you want to do. And then this is where we're gonna slow the next move down too. So it's why even is there a tutorial? Your knee is gonna go in, your booty's gonna pop up. So it's pump, 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 pump 4 times. Now, I never knew this move until about 2 days ago because I never knew how to activate my butt. But with deadlifts, I have now figured, oh, go ahead. Woo, it's like, what?
Deadlift.
So we're going to take our knee in.
Yeah, I can see it. Like,
I mean, it's still not there, but like,
no, but I can see you doing this move. Like, I was gonna compliment you before you said that. It looks good.
Thanks. So you're literally, when you do it, you're lifting your butt to the side. And when you're lifting your butt, your knee's just twisting in. So we're gonna slow that down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch sides. 2, 3, 4. Down, switch. 2, 3, 4, and switch. Hey, then it gets faster. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and what? You're what? You're what?
I hate doing this move fast. You did it in Cardi B's. You're like.
So yeah, we just did it fast. And then after that, you're gonna go right back into the move you already know, which is barely. Hey, we're shooting. Can I call you back? So we're just gonna step out. So after the last 1, 2, 3, 4, you just step. So 3, 4, your right foot's gonna go, or your left foot's gonna go left, right, 2, 3, make your way over to, however you wanna make your way over here. Then we go right back to the chorus. So it's pull in 3 pops and pop, pop. 1 more time and in, pop, pop. Speed it up to the back, back, pop, back, back, pop 2 times. 1, ta, ta. 1 more set, and there you go. And then you just bring it around still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You might even have another 8. I'm not sure. This is the very last part, and that's there at the end of the dance. So you just made your way to the front just to make your way back to the side again. And so, yeah, you just like bippity bop over here. You take a breath. You wipe your sweat off your brow. You just figure out things, and you're gonna slow this, again, the next part down. So honestly, by this point, you should have just gone to the actual video. You're gonna step back with your right foot, and your body's just gonna pop, pop. This is the move. That's it. That's all you're doing. Your butt's going out, your chest is going out. Butt and chest are out, opposite of each other, then they crunch back in, out.
I'm weak.
I cannot dance. And I say very confidently, I have no. I do not understand.
He doesn't know. And it's simple.
So you just step back, and your arms are gonna be like in running position, and they're just gonna switch each time. So you're just gonna step back on your right foot, crunch, crunch, step back left, crunch, crunch, step back, crunch, crunch, step back, crunch, crunch. Then you're gonna make your way to the front. There's a Jeep. You're gonna make your way to the front. Happy Tuesday. You're gonna make your way to the front, and you're just going to shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, shake your body. However you wanna do, you're just shaking your body in like a very like fast, like Beyonce gyrating manner. But we're just doing it slow right now, but you will do it fast. So after we do a whole set of that slow, we're gonna speed it up. So.
You're the math meme right now.
I have no idea what's going on behind me.
You made your way back. So it's and slow, slow, and crunch, crunch, and crunch it, and crunch it. And then you're gonna walk it front, right foot, shake it like Beyonce. Shake it like Beyonce. Shake it like Beyonce. Last set, now speed it up and crunch, 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 crunch. Walk it to the front. Shake it, 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 shake it.
That's it?
Yeah, we do 2 sets of those, and then and then after we do it fast twice, we end here. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. You're going to step out right foot, and your hips just go dip, 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 left, right, and dip. Right, and dip. Left, right, and dip. And that's all you're doing. You're just rocking out for the rest of the song. So let's do it from the very tippity top, and then you can watch the actual video if you're still here. from the top and take it out. It's slow and hit, slow and hit, slow and hit, and then it speeds up here and slow and hit, slow, hit, slow, hit. 4 more times. 4 and 3 and 2, and step out, right foot right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and you're making your way to the side, and then you're gonna pull it back and right, left, pop 3 times, pop, pop, pop again, and right, and left, and pop, 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 take it out fast, right, left, double, pop, right, left, double, pop 2 more times, and double, pop, and woo, woo. Then you make your way to the front and you roll. Hey, roll your sexy body, keep it up and roll, and roll. And then from the beginning, hit, hit, hit. The second beginning, hips, hips, hips. This gets faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more times. 2, 3, 4. Last set. And then you're gonna step to the right, left, right, left, right, left. Make your way to the side. Oh, I'm going to the right, cause I don't give up, cause I don't give up. And in, and in, and pop 3 times again. Take it in, and in, pop 3 times in, speed it up all round. And double pop this time round, and double pop this time round, and double pop last set. And make your way to the front. Oh, I'm going to the front, doing whatever my body does for 4 more counts. 3, 2, 1. And this is the part where you're just gonna make your way back to the side. Hey, ooh, getting your life together to pop it out for your life. Right foot back, pop, and pop, and pop, and pop. Keep it up, and pop, and pop. Now make it to the front, right foot steps. Shake it, and shake it, shake it, shake it. For the UPS truck, for the UPS truck. Shake your ass for the UPS truck. After the UPS truck passes, you're going to do that fast. So then you just double pop, double pop, double pop, double pop, right and left and right and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, right foot back and right, left, right, left, right, left, shake it to the front and shake it, 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 hips and right, left, right to the right, left, right, left to the left, right, left, right to the right, left, right, left to the left. And I think the song's over by then. If it's not, just stop dancing.
I hope so.
I don't know what's going on.
This was the roughest tutorial we've done.
Should you post it?
I think we might as well. What are we gonna do? Not post it? I don't think people watch this to learn it. I really don't.
You don't think so?
I really don't.
What are the comments saying?
I mean,
Pure
they're
comedic
positive.
gold is what I read it.
It's more.
Yeah.
I think most people probably think this is like a parody channel of a tutorial.
You're gonna like sign off, like thanks.
Thanks for watching another Fitness Marshall tutorial, the best, most thorough tutorials in town. Make sure you subscribe to all of our personal channels, the Fitness Marshall channel. Hit the notification bell to get more notifications when we post videos. Leave your comments and concerns, which I'm sure you have quite a few. I think we're all aware of how this one went. So
not good.
thank you for believing in us.
Thanks for your support.